Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making this easy and very simple peanut bars. So first of all, I'm going to be caramelizing my sugar. That is burning my sugar. We are not going to burn it per se, but we are just going to brown this. Yes, that's another way we are going to brown our sugar. And I'm going to be doing it on a very low heat, but you can do this on a medium heat. But to be on the safe side, I'm just going to be doing it on of low heat. So I'm just going to do this until the sugar becomes brown, and as you can see, it's brown now. So I'm now going to pour in my roasted peanuts, and I'll just combine that thoroughly on that low heat. And once it's well combined, I'm going to transfer this into a baking sheet. It's easy to work with. It's easier to work with when you place this in a baking sheet. Yeah, so I'm just going to flatten this out, and I'll use another baking sheet to place on top of this peanuts bar, not peanut bar, this peanut mixture, and to flatten it out. Yeah, so I'm going to now go in with my rolling pin to flatten this out, and after which I'll take out the other baking paper. Yes, you can see I'm taking that out, and I'll cut this into, I'll just trim the edges and cut this into the desired shapes I want. And you can do this with your kids this holiday season, you know, as we during this holiday and festive period. Yeah, you can do this with your kids. And this snack is not just so sweet because I've burnt down the sugar, so that sweetness in sugar is no longer as it would be. So I'll cut this into my desired shapes and sizes. And if you can't finish this at a go, that is the quantity you made, if you can't finish it, or you made it in large quantity, you can just store this in an airtight container, and whenever you want it, you just go and pick it and eat. Yeah, so you can make your peanut bars at home. This is how you can make your peanut bars at home. No need to go to the store to buy your peanut bars. Yeah, I was trying to recreate a snack which we make in school, which is called Big Bites, but this is not as soft as that one would be. Either way, this is my peanut bars. Thank you very much for watching. Please do stay safe and enjoy yourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.